Hi, guys and dolls. So, I have recently decided to start playing guitar. Um, I started playing in June, and it is now September. September 12th is today. Um, I've made very little progress. I have not been practicing the way I should. I was told I should practice like 15 to 30 minutes a day, every day. I have not done that. My teaching materials consist of YouTube videos, which I haven't really been practicing what I've been watching. This book, it's Hal Leonard Guitar Method, Complete Edition, and Yousician. I will post my practice record. It keeps a record of how much you practice, what days, how much time, and I'll show you just so you can see how much I'm not practicing. Someone told me I need someone to hold me accountable. Um, I was supposed to play for someone, so I can show them my progress. I suck, and I know I suck, so I'm too embarrassed to really play in front of my friends because they're going to be like, oh my God, she's awful. So I thought I will make a video journal of myself and I will watch it month by month to see if I've improved and if so, how much. And then it occurred to me if I post it on YouTube, it will kind of be a little bit more pressure for me to do what I'm supposed to do because other people can see it as well. So I decided I'm going to record myself and post it. I don't know how well this is going to turn out because I suck and I'm well aware that I suck. So I was going to record it and then, do like 40 takes and then post it after I finally gotten it right. But I decided I was just going to give it to you just raw and unedited so you can see. So I know how much I'm progressing or not. And you know how much I'm progressing or not. So I'm going to record myself. So in this book, it teaches you string by string. You have to start first string, second string, third string, blah, blah, blah. So this week I'm in learning the fourth string. So I still have not touched fifth or sixth string. And I'm pretty shaky on fourth string, but that's where we are now. So just in case it gives me a couple of songs that only require these strings, or at least the bar only requires those strings. So that's what I'm going to play. And yeah, that's it. I will come back maybe in a month or so to follow up. Um, yeah, so here it is. Almost. Okay, so this is the last one. If you made it this far, I'm impressed. Okay. Shit. Let me try that again. Okay. So that is it for my first recorded session of my, I guess, 4 strings. I will come back when I can play all 6, and hopefully it'll be better than this one. So thank you for watching. I know that I know that was rough at times, but I appreciate you being here for me, and I'll see you in the next video.